Hey, beautiful people. Welcome back to JewelryMeTV, your go-to spot for bold, brilliant, and totally you jewelry drops right here on YouTube. Up today, we've got something personal, literally. Say hello to this chunky name bracelet, made with a luxe mix of gold tones and solid stainless steel. It's bold, it's built to last, and yes, it will never fade or tarnish. Your name, your vibe, your story, all wrapped around your wrist in pure style. We'll customize it just for you with any name or word up to 11 letters or characters, so whether it's your name, your booze, your nickname, or your hustle, this bracelet makes it shine. Ordering is easy. Just scan that QR code on your screen and pay through Cash App. In the payment description, be sure to include, checkmark your name, checkmark your mailing address, checkmark the item number, checkmark and the name you want on the bracelet. And guess what? We're hooking you up with free shipping, delivered straight to your door in just 3 to 5 days. No hidden fees, no waiting games. So don't wait, own your name, own your shine. This is the statement piece your wrist has been waiting for.